Merry Christmas! I've got an awesome 10-minute snowboarding workout at home, so stay tuned. If you want to get prepared to hit the slopes and break in some boots, I got the workout for you. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to today's workout, and Merry Christmas. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm going snowboarding today, but for the purpose of this video, I want to show you something that if you want to break in your snowboard boots, or if you just want to get better prepared to go to the mountain and you can't go snowboarding all the time, this is a nice routine that's only 10 minutes and all you need is a snowboard, your bindings, and your boots. You can get strapped in and you can rock it out, okay? So for the workout, we've got 10 total moves, all right? 5 of those moves are unique. So what we'll do after we finish through those moves, we're just gonna repeat them all over again. Each move is about 45 seconds long with a 15-second rest break in between. And so the way I designed today's workout is we're just gonna kind of get loose. We're just gonna be moving side to side. Again, as you know, whenever you're snowboarding, if you fall down and when you're getting up, you're using your shoulders and arms and a lot, especially getting down into a full squat, standing up on your board. You'd be surprised of exactly how much mobility you need. Now, if you're a lot younger and watching this, you may think this is crazy, but again, I live in Georgia, and so I don't always get to go snowboarding. So a lot of times before the season starts, I'll prepare myself in my garage and I'm putting on my boots and bindings and I'm jumping around because I'm trying to get my quads used to that burning sensation. So without that being said, let's go ahead and grab our water bottles, let's get hydrated, and let's smash today's workout.
Merry Christmas, yeah. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Coming from the facts, yeah, just put this on your wish list. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Whipping in a foreign Santa, turn it to a litmus. Got me feeling down cause my stocking full of coal, yeah. Had a bad year, man, I'm sick of getting old, yeah. Wanna stay a kid and I love it when it's cold, yeah. It's that time of year I can act 10 years old, yeah. I know that this year he finna get me. I know Santa coming down my chimney. I hope that he isn't mad about me. This year I've been messing up my kidneys, yeah. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Coming from the facts, yeah, just put this on your wish list. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Whipping in a foreign Santa, turn it to a litmus. I'll be okay,
5,
left some cookies
4,
on a plate. Think
3,
the milk's a little late,
2,
past the expiration
1.
date, but I think I'll be okay. Homie switching out my name, from the naughty and the shame to the nice side of the page, yeah. I made some mistakes that he won't like, yeah, but you know I still wanna get a bike, yeah. And you know I want that skin on Fortnite, yeah. Made a list and I ain't never check it twice, yeah. And I recall the past real vaguely. I remember everything they'd say. Maybe thought that I was crazy, thinking that one day
4,
they'd see my
3,
name.
2,
Love being a loner,
1.
always moving closer. Knew exactly what I wanted to have. Fear of growing older, chip all on my shoulder. Told myself I'm never looking back, and now I'm cold and dissonant. I'm losing my innocence, and you don't know my intent. And now you better back down, cause I'm coming for you. Better back down, cause I'm coming for you. Better back down, cause I'm coming for you. Better back down, cause I'm coming for you.
Five, 4,
I'm losing my innocence, and you don't know my intent. And now you better back down, 'cause I'm coming for you. Better back down, 'cause I'm coming for you. Better
5,
back down, 'cause
4,
I'm coming
3,
for you. Better
2,
back down, 'cause
1.
I'm coming for you.
Let's go, yeah. Jingle bells, jingle all the
5,
way. Man, I
4,
love how Christmas smells.
3,
Christmas every day.
2,
Sprinting down the stairs
1.
to see presents just for me. God, I hope it's not a lump of coal. This year I misbehaved, 'cause I know it started off with a couple in my B's. Then I ran into some trouble when I stole an SUV. But I'm trying to stay humble, so I'm praying on my knees, 'cause I'm begging Santa brought me what I wanted. Santa, please. I want a big house and a big car with a pool in the back of the backyard, some new shoes and a huge bar and a Stratocaster left-hand guitar. Wanna go far, wanna be the best, be the rest of art. Pumping on my chest, I ain't best to start. Send up for the rest of my shopping cart, yeah, that's a start. Naughty or nice, I like my girls with spice, I like my girls with Sprite. Send her one time, give me the gift of a girl that's fine, no mine. I want a Rolex that ain't stolen, I want a Rolex that ain't broken. I want a potion in slow motion, I want a home in Cali by the ocean.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cold as Christmas. Sorry, ladies.
You have one shot on stage,
4,
what you got to play?
3,
Generic drops
2,
for days, still the
1.
people rage. Am I not insane? Can you stop and explain why these drops are so lame? Is money buying you fame? I'm fucking on, I'm killing it with this song. You haters can sing along or go back where you belong. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with giving up, moving on, 'cause I took your girl to prom, she can't help but sing this song. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my high harass. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my high harass. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse. So on like a light switch flirting back. There's nothing wrong with the way that she's working that. I just want that body bad, come on baby bring it back. I'm so gone, faded off a 30 rack. She's so on like a light switch flirting back. There's nothing wrong with the way that she's working that. I just want that body bad, come on baby bring it back. I rap with a passion, yeah, I got it in me. I've been waiting quite a long time for y'all to hear me. It's about damn time you put some stock into me. You're either sponsoring me or fucking bothering me. And the fact is, we just practice all this madness. That is why our status is like a canvas. Chances our advancement is enhancing, and this new expansion's like a mansion. Comes off till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out. And my hyper raps, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out. And my hyper raps, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I hope you enjoyed today's workout. Now, I did forget to fair warn you, make sure when you get to that 5th exercise where you're doing that squat jump, that A, you're either outside on the grass or on the snow, or B, that you're on a carpet or some sort of soft floor. Don't do it on a hardwood floor, or not like flat down in your garage, unless you have a gym floor like I had in this gym setting. I do have this exact same mat or something similar in my garage, so I do practice this in my garage or on the carpet, but don't do it on hardwood floors or any concrete or anything like that. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed today's workout on this Christmas day. We're doing something a little different, having a little fun with it, because the main purpose behind this is that I want to get you used to having your muscles trained for snowboarding. The best experience that you can get and the best training you can get is actually just being on the mountain. So going on the mountain, practicing snowboarding, that's just what's gonna help you the best. But if you're stuck at home or you don't get a chance to go out as often, you wanna get your legs conditioned like I did before I went out for a week in Colorado to go snowboarding, I'm doing stuff like this just to get my calves and my shins ready, because during the whole time through this workout, my calves were lit up. My quads and my glutes are pretty strong. They can handle a lot of it, but my calves and shins, just getting used to these boots and getting in there, even though I've had these boots for 3 seasons now. So if you have some brand new boots, you can go ahead and break them in. But what I wanna do is I wanna break down the workout real quick. So the first move, we started off with the squat stretch to alternating arm reach. On this one, as I sat down in the movement, I'm pushing my knees out, I'm moving my hands up in the air, I'm trying to increase that shoulder mobility. I had a buddy of mine, we went down to Snowshoe Mountain last year in West Virginia. He broke his shoulder, so he had to do a lot of rehab. And the main purpose of me even doing some of these videos is that I want to get you in shape for snowboarding. So at least if you've never done it and you have a snowboard and bindings and boots and you're about to go, you want to get yourself prepared, because the first day is a little, it's almost humiliating. Like, I trained my butt off for the first time thinking I would be ready for it. And when I did my first snowboarding experience almost 4 or 5 years ago in Germany, man, I was smoked, like I couldn't barely stand up. So no amount of training can really get you ready other than doing it, all right? Second move, we had our alternating side reach and stretch. That one, you need some mobility in your knees, all right? If you don't do a lot of foam rolling, please click on this card. Check out my foam rolling video so you can massage your quads and your legs so you can handle this. Because a lot of times people don't think about it. If you're trying a new sport, especially skiing or snowboarding, you need that mobility in your knees and legs. So as you can see, as I'm reaching down side to side and reaching for that board, I'm trying to stretch out my hamstrings, my hips, my glutes, and I'm just reaching side to side. Next move, we went into the squat to bear crawl push-up to crab walk, right? So, or crab walkout. That move, you're gonna be down on the ground, pushing yourself up, trying to get into a squat stance, or you're on the back of the mountain and you're trying to crab walk back and try and stand back up. Chances are, if you haven't snowboarded before, you haven't done it as much, you're gonna be falling a lot, all right? And you need to be good at getting up and down. And you'd be surprised of actually how many muscles you use getting up and down. So if you're really good at the push-ups and doing that crab walk backwards, it'll prepare you so when you get on the mountain, because when you're on the mountain, you're gonna be sliding down and moving around a lot. So it's very important to have that down, okay? And then getting into our last few moves, what we had was we're doing our squat jump to 180 jump. So whenever I do that squat jump to 180 jump, I'm just throwing my hands forward, jumping through the air, spinning around, and doing the 180. Again, I'm going back and forth. I'm plyometric. I'm just trying to throw my hands forward because sometimes you're stuck on the mountain somewheres and you can't really move, and you need to use your hands to help prepare yourself to like get out of there, especially if you're trying to catch up or get to a spot. Yeah, you could try and shimmy your board and move yourself forward, but sometimes you just have to dig deep, use your muscles, and then just throw your hands forward and do some squat jumps to kind of get you to where you want to go, okay? And then the last one I forgot about real quick is I just did the alternating tail press to nose press. Now that's something I'm still trying to work on. It's not essential, but again, you're getting your balance moving to the front of the board, which I'm not as good, but to the tail press, I'm a little bit better, and you're trying to just center your weight. It's a lot of core. So as you can see, I'm using my arms. When I'm getting into the nose press, I'm rotating my hips a little bit, trying to throw my shoulder forward. I'm into the tail press, I'm leaning back. And again, I'm just kind of counterbalancing, using a lot of abs and core strength in my weight to do this. So again, kind of a different, kind of a unique workout. Let me know down in the comments section what you thought about this. Would you try it? And you know, I hope it really helps you out. I hope it gets you ready for snowboarding. And again, this is my winterized content, just doing something a little bit different, trying to have fun with it, because we can work out in lots of different ways and there's a million different ways to get in shape, but you want to have something that you can do that's fun and that helps you, you know, get in shape for things that you like to do. So if you like snowboarding, this isn't a bad workout that you can try. And heck, you might even try it without the snowboard, just in your boots and just trying to rock through the movements, going side to side, and then eventually put on your board and bindings and try and go for it. So hope you enjoyed today's workout. Thank you for watching. If you're brand new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you never miss any of my latest content. And I hope you have a Merry Christmas. And if you're watching this afterwards, well, you know, I hope you're enjoying your time and your week, and I can't wait to see you in the next workout.
I keep on working, got purpose and worth. Music's my cure and this world is my purse. Get rid of this curse with every verse. Of course I've been hurt, but some have been much worse. Leave me alone, get out of my head. Block out the opinions until I am dead. They all go to sleep, but you listen instead. Listen some more and you'll cease to regret. I keep on working, I got it on track. You gonna see my name up on the flag. I sail the ship and I'll never come back. I keep this bitch on the line to attack. Never look back, I make a record like Crash. Top of my bracket I smash, hot like a pack. I'm about to stack it like cash. It's gonna happen so fast. It never changed my